Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Students, type 9, change of scale property. We'll start with that. We know Laplace of f of t is nothing but phi of s. So what is change of scale property? This is my t when getting multiplied to a. So there will be a change of scale. Scale means nothing but a time axis. So if a is multiplied, then what will be exactly effect on function phi of s? It will be 1 by a phi of s by a. This is also said to be an application wise. At is nothing but when your function is getting compressed. Changes to expansion in frequency domain. So I give an example. Suppose I want to find Laplace of sin 80. We know Laplace of sin 80 in a direct way. But suppose let us consider a is nothing but a scaling factor which is multiplied to t. So my original function f of t is nothing but sin t. So when you say Laplace of sin t, so that comes 1 upon s square plus 1. Now applying change of scale property, so that tells me f of at, that is nothing but 1 by a phi of s by a. So f of at, we can say a scale at here which is going to apply on sin t. So I can say 1 by a, in the place of s you need to put s by a, so that comes 1 divided by s by a the whole square plus 1. So which is equal to 1 by a, here s square by a square multiplies here and in numerator becomes a square divided by s square plus a square. Finally gets cancelled and I get a upon s square plus a square. So students, see, it's obvious we were supposed to get Laplace of sin 80 a upon s square plus a square, but just from a change of scale property I have proved the same answer. Let us see one more sum. Sum number 2. If Laplace of f of t, which is given as 2 divided by s cube e raised to minus s, we need to find Laplace of f of 2t. So let's start with solution. Laplace of f of t is already given, so we don't need to find anything. What we need to find, Laplace of f of 2t, so which is nothing but change of scale property where a is nothing but 2. So I say 1 by 2 phi of s by 2. So since phi of s is 2 by s cube e raised to minus s, we need to put a effect of change scale on this phi of s. So I can say Laplace of f of 2t is 1 by 2. So in the phi of s, wherever you can see s, you need to replace s by 2. So that comes 2 divided by, in the place of this s by 2, the whole cube e raised to minus s by 2, which comes with a final answer. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 8 in numerator divided by s cube e raised to minus s by 2. Thank you for watching video on In 5 Minutes.